Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, we are looking for some weekend storms. We need the rainfall. Don't like it on a weekend. I think Saturday will be the pick of both because we are going to have less coverage and just some showers through the afternoon heating, but nothing that's really going to enhance our rainfall here. I think that changes heading into Sunday. This is an upper level disturbance that's going to move in through the Gulf. The only way you see it really is just this little dip. These are the upper level winds, and when you see that kind of ripple there, that, believe it or not, is enough to really just kind of makes thunderstorms a bit stronger, and sometimes you get severe weather out of it. Not expecting all of those ingredients to come together like we had on Tuesday, but I think, you know, the chances there for some heftier thunderstorms, particularly Sunday afternoon. And again, when you see the green just over the peninsula there, an indication of just pop-up showers and thunderstorms, not so much, you know, anything that we can track from either direction of the Gulf of the Atlantic. As far as the overnight temperatures staying in the low 70s, it is done as far as the cold air coming in. We're going to have a few fronts, but they're just going to lower humidity, so not going to be a huge difference in the way the temperatures go, but it'll feel more comfortable through the afternoon, right around 80 degrees, and even after sunset, we're looking at temperatures staying in the mid-70s. So let's take a gander here. The next weather 7-day forecast, which will keep us in the 80s for both Thursday and Friday, low 70s for overnight temperatures, and then for Saturday, I think we'll stay with the same temperatures, no big difference. We do climb a little bit certainly next week, but you'll see rain coverage there at 30%, and that's going to be the case on this Saturday, just for some scattered showers. I don't think it'll be a huge deal, and then we're looking at Sunday with showers and thunderstorms that will continue to develop. And in fact, I think the potential there for some heavier rainfall, accumulating rainfall, which we need with the drought. And then for early next week, what we'll have essentially is temperatures in the mid-80s. It will feel a little bit warmer, so we're starting to get those heat indices right around 90 degrees. So recapping the story here, inland showers for this evening if you're stepping out, right along the western edge of our Broward County and Miami-Dade neighborhoods. Otherwise, I think the rest of us closer to the coast will be on the dry side. Breezy, sunny, and less humid coming up for your Thursday. And then, as I mentioned, we'll be tracking those weekend storms. We'll keep you posted, see if those rain chances come up or down, depending on the track of that system. And then that will have the potential, depending on where it goes and how intense it is, to bring us some heavy rain for Sunday. That's the latest 7-day forecast.